We're currently at the Medina Zongo Astrotef Libya quarters. History in the making. Chef Nyiraba is going for an attempt. 192 hours, straight 8 days.
Alpha.
Trust me, this is a Zongo girl who is breaking the records. And we know, inshallah, we will say
don't worry, leave it.
It is finished. But with me here is my lovely sister, Hajia Hawa Shaban. I added GH on her name. And I know she's proud to be a Ghanaian and she's proud to be part of Nyiraba's team. Hajia Hawa, please tell us the journey so far. How did it start? What was the motivation to go into this?
I think, first of all, I have to thank everybody for actually coming out, especially those who are also watching us online, those who are home, I mean Ghana and even abroad. Also, I would want to thank Zulaiha's family and her friends. They've been super supportive. This journey couldn't have come this far without them. So somewhere in 2023, this is a very funny story. And I hope if Uncle Socrates Safo is listening, he'll be proud of this journey.
Yeah.
Somewhere in 2023, around 26th December, when Efia was doing a sing-a-thon, Zulaiha was resting at home. When she saw my Snapchat, she said, "How are I, Anzo?" I said, "Why not?" And then she came. We celebrated with Efia, and then whilst we were standing with Uncle Socrates Safo, Zulaiha said, "How are you? And I said, "Madam, where have been chimana I've been chinoda and dafa." And then Socrates Safo and I have a rapport. So I said, "Uncle, can we do this?" And then he said, "Yes, we can." And then he said, "Yes, we can. Why not? We should put together a proposal and then see to it. If we need his support, he's available." So immediately Zulaiha went home. I think one thing I enjoy about Zulaiha is that she's very determined. Immediately she went home. The next day, Zulaiha told me she had actually drafted an email to Guinness.
Wow.
And I said, and it started from there. Zulaiha actually sent them the email, and then she sent me a feed of whatever they sent her back, and then we started. And so we started the journey somewhere around December 2023. I can tell you that if you need somebody who is very determined, it's Zulaiha. She is determined, she perseveres, and then she would actually achieve that.
Inshallah.
I am actually not surprised. I know my girl, she would do it.
Inshallah.
So I am rooting for her. All the girls you see here are rooting for her. And so we are hoping that from where we started, our dreams will not be shattered. We will come out victorious.
Yes, now I want you to tell us, what would you say is the motivation for Zulaiha, apart from the experience she had with Efia? Has there been any point where she says, "Allah being a come on, you, Allah, how you?" Has there been that occasion?
Not at all, not at all. I mean, if you know Zulaiha, Zulaiha loves to cook. If you call Zulaiha for your event, and even if it is last minute. So one thing I tell people about Zulaiha is that it's the passion. You see, if you have passion for something, it never dies.
Yeah.
So it's the passion she has to actually come out and cook all the time. So even if you call Zulaiha at 12 a.m. and you say, "Zulaiha, na jinyungo," she's there to cook for you, no matter the hour. So it is something that it is inherent.
Yeah.
It is a passion, the drive to always say, "I want to do this." Zulaiha has never since 2023 rested on this.
Wow.
I tell you.
Wow.
Ask people around Zulaiha, not me, her friends, her family, people she even knows outside our immediate surrounding.
Yeah.
If she speaks to you, she's speaking about Cookathon. If she's speaking to you, she's looking for sponsorship for Cookathon.
Yeah.
So I think it's the drive. And you know, when you have the drive for something, it is difficult for it to die.
Yeah.
Unless it is fake. But if it's not fake, it goes.
Yeah. So she has passion for cooking. No wonder today we are giving it a shot. I remember also very well when Nyiraba called me and they told me, Hamid, na so in cook thon. That is Zulaiha, he ready, when I ready. Then that moment, Yakub also joined online, confirming that she's ready. She told him, and that believed that whatever has to be done to see today, she will do it. And if it has taken someone 2 solid years to get here, meaning she is really, really prepared. And all that she needs from us is the support and prayers, especially if us already supported her. We need more support. Do we have some people we need to acknowledge for the wonderful support? Probably some individuals before we come to the companies.
All right. Okay, so first of all, we would want to thank the Medina leadership, the Zongo leadership, the chiefs, the imams, the locals, the support they have given us since the planning stage. So we would want to thank the committee of this Medina Ashrutef. They've been with us throughout the planning. We would want to thank the imams, the Sarikin Zango, the pastors, and all the opinion leaders, and even the youth leaders here. We are grateful. Aside that, we cannot say we won't thank Alhaji Abbas, of course. If you've been with us for the past 3 days, Alhaji Abbas has been here.
Alhaji Abbas Dawood.
Alhaji Abbas Dawood. He has been a very supportive individual. So we would also want to thank Zulaiha's immediate friends and her families. These are individuals who, without them, we couldn't have done this. Her sister, her friends, her associates, they have been here for us. And so we would want to thank her. For you too, and Alpha, we dragged you along and you are here. So we would want to say thank you to these people. But as the time goes on, we'll still acknowledge the individuals because we'll be here for the next 8 days. So we'll be here, we would acknowledge them.
Okay.
So Abdelhamid, this team you are seeing here are made of young, I'm proud of them. I don't know how to describe them, but these are young folks from the Zongo communities. The people you see here are made up of people who are willing to help Zulaiha. We have about 16 kitchen assistants who are backstage. Some are helping with the prep, and the one that is stationed in there. We would want to thank them for volunteering. It is actually a volunteering thing. So we would want to thank them. Zulaiha's sister, Mama, we would want to thank Mama and her friends for coming through for us. We would want to thank Hajia Zakia, Zulaiha's big sister and a friend too. She has been with her. I cannot drop this microphone without calling Muna. Muna Jafaru.
Muna Moon.
Zulaiha has always been Zulaiha. But with Muna, there is also another Zulaiha you and I do not see. So every push you see here is kind courtesy Muna. Muna, we are grateful. We would also want to thank Safia, Mariam, Hyria, the 2 Irias. We are grateful for the support. Acknowledge Unico, Aisha. She has done brilliant. We cannot go without thanking her. To our beautiful vendors, we are promising you that you are going to sell. You will sell, and you would be proud that you joined the story. So for me, these are the people I think actually stood out for us. And we are grateful.
So now that we've gotten to this stage, this is where I'd want you to officially introduce the 2 people in the kitchen. That is the one supporting her. His name, we need to know his name because he's doing a yeoman's job. It's just like 1 + 1 would always be 2. But this time around, it's 1 + 1 is 1. So it's part and parcel of Chef Zulaiha. Let's know his name, the man inside the kitchen. Because Chef Nyiraba will tell you no, because she does it so well. Let's know his name.
So the young man you are seeing there, the reason I'm laughing or smiling is that he's actually my biological brother. That's Hashim Shaban. He's a chef. He's a trained chef. He has been cooking and he has been with a lot of restaurants you know about. Talk of Eddie's Pizza. He has worked there. He's also passionate about cooking.
Yeah.
So I am not surprised. I don't know how they met, but I am not surprised he's in there helping Zulaiha.
'Cause he
So
loves to
that's
cook.
my big brother. I am so proud of him that he decided to join in Nyiraba. So that's Chef Hashim Shaban.
Yeah.
In case you need him to, he's always available. So today, we want to proudly tell you that we are cooking 32 meals.
Okay.
We are
Very
cooking
interesting.
32 meals today. We will deliver all of them to you today.
Okay.
In Nyiraba, I know her.
Yeah.
Our menu is there.
Yeah.
We will share with you if you want.
Yes.
But for now, the jollof is ready.
Okay. The jollof is ready. Kana fari Muslimin jollof akai. Yakub Alpha Suleiman, the CEO of One Ghana Production.
Can I leave you guys?
Why do you want to leave
Stay. One of the directors of Zango Institute for Development. So Yakub, so far, I can see you are holding the ready jollof. Hey, come shinana. Now some code I'm come shinana again. Mashallah. Yakub, what do you have to say so far? Your observation.
So far, I think the preparation, a lot went into the preparation since yesterday, 2 days ago. We've been running around here, ensuring that everything is in place to ensure that Zulaiha, Chef Nyiraba Zulaiha, would be able to start this marathon and then start it well. So far, we've gone into almost 1 hour. We are heading to 2 hours, and she's going to do 192 hours. That's a journey, trust me. And so far, the energy, the smiles on her face, trust me, I know she knows she's going to break this. To go back into history, I think currently the one holding the record is from Australia, and she goes by the name Yvette. She spent almost, she did 140 hours, 11 minutes and 11 seconds. And that was way back in 2024. 2 years ago. So, they are the record holders. That's, the Australians. And I believe with Nyiraba Zulaiha, we're going to break this record, and Ghana is going to be at the top of the map when it comes to the longest cooking marathon as far as Africa and the world is concerned. And I just have my first meal. I was just in a hurry to eat, and it's smelling so good, and I believe this is going to taste so good. So even wherever you are in Australia, know that Zulaiha is going to break your record, and we are doing this with the first meal, and that is a jollof, the real Ghana jollof. Trust me, I can't wait to take a bite of this.
I love the part you said Ghana jollof.
Yes, Ghana jollof. Not the Hildabasi song. Not the Hildabasi song. No.
Yes, Hildabasi jollof is jollof.
Yes.
But this is Ghana jollof.
Exactly.
You don't know the jollof. This is Ghana jollof. So that's what we are talking about. So, Yakub, hold on. Why are you in a hurry? I want to count. Sama kuri mana.
Baba, I can't stop.
Do Allah sama kuri. The chicken. The chicken and garlic chicken.
Baba, I can't stop.
Let's taste the chicken and see.
This is so good.
If it's chicken na miji ni kona mache ko tana da juna biyu.
Please, my wife should calm down. For the next 1 week, I'm not coming home to eat.
So she should calm down.
I'll be eating here, Baba.
Ajiya Ghanaians.
This is so good, trust me. I've had jollofs. I've seen the international, local, continental jollof. But this jollof is really, a record breaker.
So you've been eating jollof, but today you're eating jollof. There's an F on it. Kind can see Chef Nyiraba Zulaiha, our Zango star. She's here to make us proud. And trust me, we are here to give her support 247.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.